Oh, wow. What
Eh? What's happened?
Nigerian politics. You know, same Wike now. Wike.
Yes.
He called Lagos now yesterday now.
Wow.
Wike now. Don't say make Lagosians vote for Sanwo-Olu for election now. And Sanwo-Olu na APC o, Wike na PDP.
What thing they happen for PDP people?
Wike come talk say.
It's a president that has the interests of Nigeria. A president that has experience in governance. A president that Nigeria can say yes, remove food, and it can put food on the table. We'll fight insecurity. That's what we're looking for. Not some people who are talking about ethnicity. No.
And what's on your mind?
Don't worry.
In one president, we'll go support the people and unify the people. It be like saying Wike, don't they want lead them article, go join APC. Meanwhile, we dey fight ourselves for Twitter, for Instagram, and for Facebook. But these men for power, they dey align with each other for their common interests. Artists na only dance, Wike dey dance. As they sweet them, they paying us. But now they dance, don't they move up? Enter APC, small. See, make una shine una eye, take una brain, use una kidney. We wanna take una kidney, they choose. Because this man, they no send us, and they accept, they know. See our Wike, where would they hear? Say, in they speak the truth. They don't speak truth, they enter APC with truth.
Enter where?
APC with truth. They don't they speak truth, enter APC.
Now so.
Truth, APC. Very soon now, he go speak truth. Become a Miloko. The masses now on ourselves now know this man, they don't send us so. Okay.
As they pain them, he they pain them. As they enter them, he go enter them. As they pain them, he go pain them.
He has now gone to join APC.
Say.